you are looking for the same kind of results like millions of impressions, thousands of clicks with a good CTR and a very low average position, then this video is for you because I'm gonna tell you the right method to use Google Search Console. The first thing that you have to identify is the keywords that is bringing you the most of the clicks. So you filter it on the basis of decreasing order in the form of clicks, and then you will get to know all those keywords which is basically driving you most of the clicks. After that, what you have to do is you have to select one of the keyword which is basically driving most of the clicks. So let's say in my case I selected this keyword. Now this keyword has given me 35 clicks with 1.22k impressions and average CTR of 2.9%. Now you see the trend has gone down, but that's fine. Still this keyword has some type of potential. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just quickly find it out like which page this keyword is driving most of the traffic. So you see that I've got these two pages, and out of these two pages, one page has got all the clicks and all the impressions. Then what you need to do is like you need to open the page, and then you need to select like what type of communication or whatever content you have written down in this page so far, and that will help you in identifying like whether user is liking your content or not. So you understand on the basis of the keyword. So the keyword basically in our case is Rajneesh versus Neha judgment. That means people are here to find the answer of this case, and that is where people are looking at like what type of result they have got. So now what you need to do is like you need to re-improvise your content. So you have to prioritize for which a user is coming on your website. So in my case, user is coming on the website because they want to know the judgment, and that I believe is absent in this page. And if I address that, then there are high chances that like this page will get the higher rankings, the more higher rankings, and the better readability rate, right? So that is how I always read my Google Search Console data. Now the next thing that you have to do is like you have to remove the query, but before removing the query you have to select the same page. So select the page and now remove the query, the one query that we have selected. So now you will be able to see that this page is getting you 601 clicks with the 13.7k impressions and 4.4% CTR. That means that this content has a lot of demand in the online world. Now the next thing that you have to do is like you have to like check out all the keywords, whether those keywords are relevant or irrelevant to your niche, and how many keywords are informational and how many keywords are transactional. Now if you see, all these keywords are informational and not transactional, and there are 184 keywords that has been indexed for this page. So now the main target is how I can convert this informational keywords to the transactional keywords. So for that, what do I understand is like people are coming and they want to understand like how and what type of judgment the people have got in this case. So now what I can do is like I know that this case is in so much demand. So what I'm gonna do next is that I'm gonna integrate, or I'm gonna add some type of banners. So for example, like you say Supreme Court ruling how the Rajni versus Neha shaped maintenance law in India, and then after that like I can add some banners where I can collect the data, or I can showcase that like my client is basically expertise in handling such type of cases, and if you have similar problem or if you're looking for the similar kind of lawyer, then we are the one who can help you out from coming out of this situation. So you need to understand that if all the keywords that has been indexed for your website for that particular page, if all those keywords are informational, then what you have to do next is like you have to convert that information into some type of transactional, or else what else you can do is like you can also add some type of lead magnet. So before users leave this website, then a user then the pop-up will appear over here, and that pop-up will can ask the relevant questions, right? So in that case you will also get leads. Now the second thing that you can do is like you need to filter it down on the basis of the average position. So you will get all the keywords which is basically ranking in the first position, basically ranking in the like different kind of position. So you filter it down again on the basis of, now this time on the basis of the impressions first. Now you see this keyword is basically driving you 3593 impressions, and it is ranking in 10.3. That means that this keyword has potential. If you secure the number 1 ranking, number 2 or number 3 ranking, then you can improve your clicks count, right? So what you need to do, you have to understand like what type of articles are ranking for this keyword. So you just copy the keyword, and you go to Google and then you paste it. Now you see, now you will be able to understand like Hindi content is ranking and other type of content is also ranking. So you like interrogate like what people are searching around this case and how you can make sure that like your website appears for this content, for this keyword at the top. So you have to do this activity for all the keywords. I basically recommend on like do it for only those keywords which have high impressions and there's a high chance of improving the position along with high clicks. So I can see that like this keyword, basically people are not able to get the right answer for this keyword, and that is why they are checking, you know, the second and the third page. That means that if we secure the first ranking, then people will be able to spend more time on the website. So that is how I always do it, right? So you have to do this activity for all the pages, and like for example, like now let's go ahead to the pages part and just remove all the filters because I do not want to apply any filters right now. And now you figure it out on the basis of like which page is driving again most of the traffic. So like ignore the first one because we have already checked this page. Now the second page is basically law services, understanding IPC section 182, legal implications of false information to public servants. Now you see this page has got 15,588 impressions, and if I just select this page, I can see that 246 keyword has been indexed for this keyword, and these are huge chances of improving the ranking. Now you understand the intent of the keyword, you understand the intent of the page, intent of the information. On the basis of that, you take some action. So the more you improvise your current data, the better results you will get around your SEO strategy. If you find this video useful, give me a thumbs up. And if you have any doubts related to SEO, you can always go ahead and check out my LinkedIn. You can comment down on this video, or you can contact me via the email given in the YouTube channel. Till that time, guys, thank you.